Okay, today's subject is about smiling and why it's so good for us to smile. The Bible says that smiling is good for the body. So I'm going to go through some benefits, some mental health benefits, some physical health benefits, and also some interpersonal relationship benefits. Okay. First thing a smile does, and here's the thing before I start, even if you don't feel like smiling, a forced smile will still get you some benefits, okay? It still does, just forcing a smile. So try it and you'll see that it works. You're going to be smiling more often, you're going to feel better, everything's going to work better. All right, so it elevates mood. When you smile, your brain releases mood-enhancing neurotransmitters like dopamine, endorphins, and serotonin. These feel-good chemicals increase feelings of happiness and well-being. That's number one, elevates the mood, reduces stress. Smiling helps you to lower the production of the stress hormone, cortisol. Endorphins released during a smile act as a natural pain reliever and help to calm the nervous system. Wow, it's fantastic. Fights anxiety and depression. The release of serotonin, a powerful mood stabilizer, helps to counter feelings of anxiety and depression. This effect works even if the smile is forced. So start smiling today as much as you can. And if you feel like, well, I don't have anything to smile about, there's always things in your life that are blessings. Count the blessings. As an example, do you have food to eat? Do you have a roof over your head? Do you have a bed to sleep in? If you have those three things, you have a lot to be thankful for, because many people don't have that. The next one, it boosts confidence. Smiling is associated with feeling more positive and self-assured. This can help increase self-esteem and make you appear more approachable to others. Isn't that nice? You're easy to approach. Very good. All right, now the physical health benefits. It lowers blood pressure. The act of smiling can lead to a reduced heart rate and lower blood pressure, promoting a more relaxed state. It strengthens the immune system. The relaxation response from smiling can lower stress hormones, which in turn allows your immune system to function more effectively. Some research also suggests that smiling increases the production of white blood cells. White blood cells are they destroy all the bacteria, the viruses, pathogens in our body. When we have more of those, they're fighting for us, those white blood cells. Smiling acts as a natural painkiller. The endorphins released when you smile serve as natural pain relievers. This can help you to tolerate physical discomfort more effectively. Increases longevity. Studies show that higher levels of optimism and happiness, which are linked to frequent smiling, are associated with a lower risk of early death from certain illnesses. So optimism and happiness, it's associated with a lower risk. Even if you feel like, oh, I don't have much to be happy about, force the smiles. Remember, you do. Count your blessings. Count them. All right. Social and interpersonal benefits. Improve social connections. Smiling is a universal sign of friendliness and warmth, making you appear more approachable and trustworthy. This helps to strengthen social bonds and build better relationships. Contagious effect of smiling. The act of smiling is contagious, meaning your positive expression can improve the mood of those around you. You're going to be more well-liked because you're improving people's moods. Enhances attractiveness. A genuine smile can make you more attractive to others and improve first impressions when you're going for that job interview. All right, so there you have it. Those are the benefits. So remember, even if it's forced, smile. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe. This channel, Fruit and Sport, it's all about eating more fruit. It's all about health advice that can help you get healthier, and it's all about longevity. I'm 76, and I'd like to keep living for a while. I want to keep going. I got 8 grandkids, and I want to play with them all. So, and that's the other thing, exercise. You got to exercise if you want to be able to play with the grandkids. We also talk a lot about exercise here, and we have exercise routines here. All the best. Fruit up and make it a great one, and get out there and smile.